Hey, welcome to It's All Good Garage. Hey guys, so we're working on the quarter panel. Got it stitched in. Went down here. Everything's sitting in there really nice. This video is going to be welding it all back in, completely welding it in. What I want to start with first, might be a little hard for you to see from this angle, but I'm going to try to show you as much as I can. So the quarter panel came across and it wrapped around. This sits in here like this, okay? It's got to be a clean face on this side, you know? I already cut a piece off of here so that this will sit down in there. Now the trick is, I'm going to try to get, I want to get this to sit down so that I can weld in here. But what I'm trying to do is actually curl it around this edge so that it doesn't mess this edge up. I don't know if I'm going to be able to make it happen, but I'm sure going to try. But I want to do it without ruining anything on the other side here. Okay, so I can see as I'm playing with it, it was kind of moving a little bit here. So I think I'm going to do this. And that'll kind of hold it where I want it. The idea is I want to stretch this metal, kind of stretch it around here. I know it could be done. I only started just for a few seconds. I started messing with this and I was able to get it to bend actually down. So I'm just going to work it slow and we'll see what happens. It's either going to work or it's not. So I started with a big cumbersome dolly, then I moved on to these chisels because they seem to work a lot better. Used a flat chisel and a pointy chisel. Oh, baby. I think it's working. Oh, man. Can you see what I did there? See how I wrapped it around? Made it flat. I think that'll be alright. This guy. Well, I gotta tell you, it's better than the other side. Much better. So clean up.
Look at you. Yeah, man. Nice. All right.
All right, so now that that's done, we're moving on to welding the drop down for the trunk. We're going to weld behind the bumper, and then we're going to move on to the actual quarter panel face. My brother-in-law and I are going to be working on that, so enjoy the music. We'll see you at the end.
Looks good. Looks good. Not too bad. Woo. Not too shabby.
All right, there she is. All done. Hey, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. On to grinding.